Quick intro, you know, we doing this with a family today, building a PC from scratch. Right now you're just getting a quick overview of some of the products that we're going to put in the PC. I have some timestamps available, so check this out and enjoy the show.
Okay, there you guys. Now you can see what he's doing.
So pretty much the best thing is I'm going to explain to you what I'm doing, so you can tell me how the gist of what's going on. So right now, I'm working to take all the components, extra components out right now.
So what's the last one?
I do a lot of.
She recorded you on her iPad. This is hilarious.
What screwdriver?
It's right here.
No, not that one.
Oh, I don't see any. It's behind you.
No. Auntie.
Luna,
No.
back up, please.
Okay. Daddy fixed it. So.
Oh, snap.
All right, so at the beginning of the build, you know, we sitting here, whole family, and we're kind of going through. We're building a PC. Now I haven't built a PC in a long time, so we're kind of sitting here with the baby girl, and we're gonna build this gaming PC. So I already showed you at the beginning some of the stuff that we're putting in this case. Right now, I'm just going through, breaking down everything, taking everything out of this case. Then get back to you once I got everything broken down. And this right here is just inside the case. It's just a bunch of screws for, you know, the motherboard, the power supply, any adapters that you possibly can need. This pretty much comes in all the cases. Just a bunch of screws, standoffs. The type of theme that we're going with, we're gonna do a lot of RGB, and we're gonna have, so the concept is going to be 9 total fans. 6 of them are gonna have the RGB lighting on there, and we're gonna go with the i9 10900K processor. So I'm gonna get that and start working on this motherboard after I got everything completely taken out of here that can give us any type of blockage. And now what we're gonna do is gonna set this case aside, and I'll be right back with you and show you the motherboard while we install the heat sink on there and CPU.
Video? You making a video? Let me see.
Hand me the box. No, not that one too. Yes. No, the box. Hand me that one you just had too. Yeah, there you go. Good girl.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, hand me the other little box.
Oh.
Supposed to help me. You probably can record somebody.
It's one box.
I don't record the whole time. Every time.
That's the one.
Yep. So this is your SSD, your hard drive.
My drive.
Yep, your drive.
It's mine.
Yep.
Oh, Jesus. Don't tell me it's hers.
And then this is called the motherboard.
My drive.
Yeah.
That's for you.
Yeah, we gotta put it in here. We gotta work together as a
Okay.
team.
That's a team.
Yep.
So, what is this in a team?
Okay.
This the team
And the team, okay.
and a wall and a side.
So we can show.
Mommy.
So you know it's only right, man, that, you know, while we running through here, man, got my daughter helping me build this PC, kind of showing some of the different connections that we have on the back of the motherboard. Pretty much is the Z490-A, 10th gen Intel board. It was like the best of the best with the white aesthetics on the board. You know, right now we're installing the M2 SSD from Samsung. Fairly simple. It comes with a little heat sink on there. You actually, on the downside of it, it has 2 slots for the M2, but you would actually have to buy another heat sink. And now I'm cracking open that 10900K. Was super excited to go ahead and grab this. So gonna fully install that, make sure that the pins are lined up correctly, and throw that in there. Now we're gonna take a quick look at the motherboard actually mounted in the PC. And as you can see, you know, I'm kind of doing a voiceover, so don't pay attention to me. Just pointing at, you know, CPU, showing the actual, all the components fully hooked up. And now I'm gonna turn this around so you can see the actual PSU that I got, and it's a 750 watts, so you got pretty much, that's enough power to power on what I was doing, so you don't gotta go overkill or anything. All right, y'all, man, we back with the PC build. Me and my baby building. So today, man, we got a very special package that came today. We're going with the 3080 Tuf ASUS graphics card. So at first I was just looking to get any graphics card, but this is actually the actual graphic card that I wanted. So this is the OC edition, so it's the overclocked edition. So let's get the unboxing. I already took it out the main box. Comes in a black box setup. So let's get this packaging out. And we're gonna be surprised together, you know. It's a big boy. We're gonna get close up so y'all can see the plastic rip off. So sticky down here.
Papa, what are you doing?
All right, so put this in. And after I put this in, gotta see how many slots we gotta take out. So we gotta take out these 2 slots right there. This is the boring stuff. On the side. And so they got a switch down here for performance and quiet mode. We go on performance like always. We want the best of the best. Hold this in the back and push it up in there. And we'll throw the screws back in there. Bro, I thought you was helping me with the PC. What the heck happened here?
Luna has built a Peppa Pig house out of the extra foam pieces.
Yeah. I won.
Good job, Luna. Thanks for your help.
Alright, man, so just want to give y'all a quick update. This is the cable management. I'm going to turn it around, get the power on so you can check it out.
Okay, guys, and this will be the finished product.
Alright, so we're going to do the glass peel that everybody likes to see.
What's that? Okay.
Good one, good one. All right, man.